so much for joining me for my unboxing and my review of this new style by Natural Image. This is available from Hothair, and I will put the link down below in the description box. This has a center mono part, fairly wide, so you might be able to part it slightly off center. You have an extended lace front, open wefts, sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters and velvet covered ear tabs. And there's quite a lot of stretch in this cap. Let's look at this style. So you can see it's a longer style with gorgeous waves. Let me put it on for you. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty. So let me not play with it too much. I show it to you straight out of the box. So I haven't really done anything to it, just kind of raked my fingers through it. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So as you can see, longer style with waves. Really pretty, and you have front layer here and then slight layering, but only really slight layering anywhere else. I put the measurements in so you can see where this would fall on you. I have a long face and a long neck, so wigs in general look shorter on me than they might on you or the stock photo, for example. So always take note of those measurements. Measure where that would fall on you. Let me now just get rid of that zigzag parting. And let me comb it through. I don't like my waves too defined, so that's why I comb them through. But you get an idea of what it looks like without it combed through from the beginning when I first showed it to you all the way around, and now when it combed through. So you can decide if you want to comb it through or not initially. Eventually you will have to comb it through just to get rid of the tangles, etc. But just so I show you now, change the parting slightly, so just slightly off center, and combed it through. And this is what it looks now. This extended a lace front. I think that looks really good. Small knots, some lighter pieces, but only slightly interspersed. There's not much of a band here at all. Here is the transition into the ear tab, which I think looks really good as well. Ear tab on me falls here, so that fits me really lovely. Cap doesn't sit on my ears. Mono part overall looks really good as well. So let's talk about the fit. It fits my 21.75-ish inch circumference really well. Straight out of the box. There's a bit of room to tighten it and a little bit of room to widen it. So I do think this is an average sized cap. There is a little bit of gapping, but not as much as I normally get with average sized caps. So let's talk about the density. Now, in terms of permatease, there's definitely nothing big and poofy here. I think it sits really nice and close to my head. So there's only like this little bit of tease around the open wefts that you normally get. On the top here, there is a tiny bit of permatease, just a little bit. The amount of hair you have, I think, is lower end of medium. So you have, if you try to push away the waves, this is how the amount of hair you have. If you then have the waves there, obviously this will add to the feel of it. In terms of tucking, so you can tuck it on either side, and I think it's really natural. So let's talk about the fibers. These are heat-friendly fibers. They feel nice and soft straight out of the box. They look incredibly fine and natural. No unnatural shine. Just a lovely, really, They feel really lovely. So let's talk about this gorgeous color. I think it's a very unique color. It looks like a really high-end salon color, I think. What you have is a soft blend of a level 12, which is like a light golden brown, and a level 22 light champagne blonde. It features a darker root, so it gives you that really natural regrowth look. And look how well that root is done. Really natural. I would say this is an ashy blonde or an ultra light brown with cool blonde dimension. So here's the color outside. So hopefully that will help you and give you an idea of what this color looks like in the natural light indoors. I have no artificial lights on. I only have natural light coming from windows. So let's talk about styling. Now, these are heat-friendly fibers, as I said, so you can just straighten them out or add a different wave or curl pattern to it if you wanted to. Otherwise, you can have a low pony. You can have a half up, half down. You can have a side pony. You can tuck it, one side or both sides. You can always clip back the top because you have that really lovely lace front. So I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like and subscribe. As I said, this is available from Hothair, and I'll put the link down below in the description box. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below, and I hope I see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.